time to make the chatbot. Okay, now I need to make the modules. So when these are turned on and the messages has been read all the way, need to generate a response. I am going to maybe first prioritize the most left one. So, yeah. So I'll make it so if there is a response here, this gets prioritized. But if there's another response here, like this one, this will get cancelled. Like that. Yeah. And anything after that also gets cancelled. So like this. So only one thing can be used as a response. Right, this, and then this here, and here, yeah. Shoot, there. I built the same type of circuit on mine. What was it for? Mine is for, when a message contains two modules that, the chatbot could answer, it prioritizes the most left one. So it doesn't create two completely new sentences out of the blue and only answers one of the questions. So I'm just trying to limit mine, but what does yours do? And did you see the stream starting thing I built? I found like a YouTube video that uses their pet to gamble money. I thought that was cool, so I'm just gonna make a gambling machine that's random but utilizes some kind of animal moving, which was a chicken. And then I just let it gamble on whether the machine that counts if the chicken goes over a pressure plate goes up, or there's a 1% chance that it just blows up. Everything just blows up. Anyway, there you go. They should prioritize the most left one. Yep. Now I need to make the text generating part of the build, or the response generating part. So, and I'm gonna use the same thing over here, but built, better. Right. Now, how do I make the response? So in this build, we got a bunch of sentences saved, right? And then if the two inputs match into one output, that gets sent. Alright, right, so I need to build that. Also need to build the starting thing, which it chooses the first two words to start with. But before any of that, I need to actually come up with some sentences to reply with. So for example, this module would use hi, hello, hey, morning, and evening. And I do want to make it so it depends on what they use in the input. So maybe like for the morning, I would only answer with morning related sentences. Evening, also evening related sentences. Hi, hello, and hey are all the same. Morning is... What kind of replies can I make? Might as well make a list. So for the hi, hello, and hey, it is I guess if they say hi, I can say something like hello, or hi, or hi. If they say hi, I could just say hi or hello, or hey. I would definitely say some other things. Hi and hey also works, and then we got yeah, I want this bot to be able to like let the person make the question, so I don't want to start a conversation like, hello, how are you doing? Then they might say something like, I'm doing good, how about you? I want them to just ask questions and the bot just answer those questions. Hi, hello, hey. Yeah, those work. The morning, for the greeting modules, it just says whatever the person says, but exactly the same. Or maybe no. I'll make proper responses. You say hi, I'll say hi, or hello, or hey, or hi, comma, how are you, or hi, how's it going, or something like that. Should I do that? I don't know if I should do that. Also, it needs to use the specific numbers that I made, which I don't have the list for. Hold on, I need to get the list for the words that I use. It is info.txt. There it is. Alright. So, hi, hey, hello, hey, morning, evening, name, who, call. Okay. So I can only reply with the certain number of words. That's an issue. That's a big issue. I need filler words. Unless I use another list of words and in a different 5-bit format instead of this one as a reply. I mean, it's all just numbers, so we could just replace what the numbers mean in a module. So each module could have like, I don't know, each of their like vocabulary that they can use. But it doesn't need to be global in the end. Or I do need to convert it back. I have not thought this through. Hi Abu, how's it going? I am making chatbot again. I think I'll um hmm hmm maybe I'll have, instead of like making each module have uh all of all of this machine, I just have a big machine like this and everything is connected to it. Yeah, that might be better with the new vocabulary. What's the problem? The problem is for any for the response. Today I'm making the responses. Yesterday and the day before that, I got it to actually read what the response is and understand if it's a greeting, or and if they're asking for your name or their feeling. We got to that part. But today I want to make it so it could actually reply. And to do that, I need more vocabulary than the 31 words we have here. That's the problem. So, for example, if you just said hi, and I want the chatbot to say like, "Hi, how are you doing?" You can say hi, how. Uh, we have our, where's our, or you, or doing. We don't have those words. That's the issue. So I might make an entirely new vocabulary set that this modules will run on, or the replies will run on. Maybe I'll do that. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, yeah. So let's make a entirely new vocabulary. I need to make a list somewhere, and I think I'll do it in a txt file. Yeah, maybe I can add that to the the stream. Temporarily a window display, and there's a txt. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna place that there for now. This is the text file I have. My idea is make My idea is make storage-based memory system. Storage-based memory system. I don't know. I feel like using an entirely new vocabulary set would be better. Before that, I might just make the replies and then take the vocabulary from them. So, for the greetings, so replies, then greetings. Wait, I wanna. So, greetings. No, I'm not gonna do that. Greetings. Great. We got hi, hello, hey, morning, and everyone can say that. So if these words are in the question, we gotta respond with a greeting sentence or a reply. Morning, morning, and evening. Hi, how's it going? Hello, how are you? A simple hi, or a simple hey, or morning, or good evening. I think morning could be a good morning. Good morning. And what else? What else can I reply with? Hi, hello. Hi, how's it going? Hello, how's it going? Hi, hey, good morning, good evening. Well, this one starts with a hi and a how's. Is a hello and a how. I might just make that into both highs. So yeah, and I need replies that have 2 words, or it won't work. And I do need to give them periods. All right. So good morning, good evening. That isn't a good reply, but that might be fine. You just give it the word good and then morning or evening, or the word hi and hi, how. How are you? How is it going? And then what else can I do? Greetings. Greetings, human. That might be fun though. But I need another one. Or I want another one. Greetings, human chatter. Yeah, that might be fine. Alright, so let's just use these 6 for the greetings reply. And then we got the next one, which is... let me go look. It is name. We gotta come up with some replies for the name module. And the words that detect the name module is name, who, and called. So whenever these 3 are in a question, they're basically asking you what your name is. So what is your name? Who are you? And what are you called? Or something like that. So my name is... Wait, I haven't come up with this chatbot's name. V2. Such an uncreative name. Well, you know what? Let's come up with a name later. I'll just, my name is something. And then my name is none of your concern. My name is existent. Ooh, then I don't need to come up with a name. Hell yeah. I don't have a name. I don't have to tell you. And I do want to have periods to them. I don't have to tell you, I don't have a name. To ask what is your name, I can ask what is your name. And then they can't reply because there's no options. Nah. My name is not of your concern, my name is non-existent, I don't have a name, I don't have to tell you. And I don't no, that's fine. Those 4 replies were okay, fine. Then next is feeling. Feeling, which the keywords to detect it is how, feeling, mood. So how are you doing? How are you feeling? What is your mood? I guess I can just give a generic chatbot like word or reply. As a chatbot, I don't have feelings. That's kind of boring. As a chatbot, I don't need to reply. Well, no, I do. It does need to. I don't need to tell you. But it is a chatbot, so it does need to tell you. As a stupid chatbot, my creator didn't make any feelings. No. You know, I can just reply with a normal like thing, like I don't know. I am feeling great. I am feeling well. I am suffering. I am low on energy. And I mean 4 is fine. Yeah, 4 is definitely fine. I don't need to make a lot of them. Next is favorite. Favorite. The keywords for that is favorite, best, and like. And here's what I want to do for the favorite module. I want them to actually answer the questions very well. So what is your favorite something? What is the best color? What is the best shape? I don't think we have those words. Hold on. What is your favorite, best, like, enjoy, hobby? Yeah, there's nothing to talk about, so I'll just give it a generic thing because the word count is small. Um, hmm. I don't have any favorite things. I don't have any interest in things. Interest in things. I don't have any knowledge of that thing. And I don't want to share my personal info. Alright. Alright, and then next is hobby. And these are pretty useless, but I just wanted to make a chatbot that's very rude. Or not sharing too much. Hobby and fun. I don't have a hobby. I don't know, but I do like chatting. I don't understand. There we go, Mural reference. We need a Mural reference somewhere. We definitely need it. I don't understand. And what is fun? What is a hobby? What is enjoyment? Oh, this is getting against philosophical. Next is opinion. Opinion. We got the keywords think and opinion. I don't think. So I don't have an opinion. I don't think so. I don't think I chat. I don't have any opinions. And then I think not. I think no, and I think yes. Yeah. Next is ability. Ability. Keywords are can and could. It would be like, can you do this or can you do that? I can do I can do one thing, and that's chatting. I can do two things. Chatting and thinking, which is contradictory to, I don't think, where is it? With an opinion? I don't think I chat. But it says two things, it's fine. I can do two things, chatting and thinking. You know, I don't want to make it contradictory, I want to make it weird. Chatting and chatting. I can't do anything. I can't tell you. Abilities done. We got experience. Experience is the keyword detected is have, did, and tried. Have you ever done this? Did you ever do this? Can you do this? I can't. I haven't tried. Yeah. I can't do that. I can't understand that. I have not tried that, and I have tried that. I can't say I have, which will be up here. Alright. Next we got preference. Preference, which is prefer, or rather, or I prefer the first one, and then I prefer the second one. I choose neither, and then I choose whatever you want. I can't. What's going on here? What? Choose. Is another choose? Wait. Can I spell? I can't spell. Which is it? What? I can't spell. Is it choose or choose? It's to choose. It's double O. I can't spell. Oh my god. Alright, next is why. Interesting. Oh wait, no, I wasn't meant to open that. Okay. Why? The keyword is why. Why not? Why not do that? And then why or maybe they could ask, why are you like this, and why not do that, which won't make a lot of sense, but it still makes some sense. Why do you exist? Why do we exist? And why do you say that? And then finally, the last module is goodbye. It only has one word to detect it by. I'll say like goodbye chatter, and then goodbye human, and then good I think those two are good. Okay, so these are the replies I'll need to make a program of. But now my sister is coming over, and it's gonna get loud. So I'm gonna end stream here. It's a short one. It's like a 30 minutes, but I've done something. I've done something here. Done something here. Great. All right. I need to go. I might work this off in this stream. Yeah.